It has been very wet spring already. We are only 1 month in. It's not even summer yet, and yet some of the states have been experiencing floods already. A few years ago, drought was our plague, and now we are very wet and we're receiving a lot of rain. It's been interesting to watch it and try to sit back and let it be. I think this is first year when I am actually not wishing for the rain, but also not wishing for it to be gone. I am remembering how little control I have over the weather, other people's feelings, and even some of my experiences. It reminded me that sometimes people may wish for me to be someone, or wish for me to be away, or wish for me to be closer, or wish for me to do or say something that I may not want to be or who I am not. And it reminded me to also find peace and kindness within that, while staying strong within my roots, like a tree in a storm, and the flexible branches are moving back and forth, but strong roots stay in the ground.